Hey guys, this is Judy from Judita Nail Art. Welcome back to my channel, and today I have another of my weekly stamping nail art tutorial videos for you. For today's stamping nail art tutorial, I am bringing you the theme of cherries. This is being hosted through our Facebook group. I actually received the new Essie nail polishes the other day, and one of them happened to have a cherry, like the outside on the bottle, so I figured this will be a great base polish for the theme, and I found also this plate with a really cute cherry designs on them. I do hope that you will like this video. If you do, then please don't forget to thumbs it up for me. And of course, if you're new here or coming from the other channels that also joined into this collab, then welcome. I do hope you will like what you see here, and if you do, then please hit the subscribe button before you leave. I will have all the links to the other ladies' videos in my description box, so once you are done watching my video, please go over to their channels and show them some love. And of course, I will also have all the pictures at the end of my video, so definitely stay tuned until the end. I do hope you will like this video, guys, so thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much for watching, and I will be back with some more soon. Thank you. Bye bye.